Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have another WESTON International lipstick lighter, also an advertising lighter. This one a little bit taller than the last one we saw, and the advertising on each end of this one is the same. It does have a two-color paint design with the black and then red stripes around the inside where the lighter comes apart. This lighter shows plenty of wear, scuffs, scratches, dings, corrosion, paint loss, damage to the paint, scratches. Looks like black paint in the advertising on each end, where it is marked certified WOLMANIZED lumber. That seemed like a very funny term to me the first time I saw it, and basically all it is treated lumber, pressure treated with some kind of chemical or process that makes the wood stronger, supposedly. Very simple lighter, not much to it. About like any other kind of bullet or peel or lipstick lighter. It is marked WESTON International, which is abbreviated, and then NY. That was identical to the other one that we saw, only this one is in better shape, so it is a little bit easier to read. I believe it's the original wick, wadding and all. Little knurled thumb screw. Very clean. According to the Toledo Bend BCL site, these were made in the 1940s and 1950s. And as you can see, they don't hold a lot of fuel. But it does close up pretty tight. It's not as loose fitting as the Albright that we had a while back. Kind of got to work it off of there. It seems to be a pretty reliable mechanism as well. See, the inside says certified, and I'm not sure what that mark is below that. That would have been a mark for some kind of lumber standardization group or a particular brand. And I don't know, maybe that's supposed to read the other way, womanized certified lumber, but I would think it's probably certified womanized lumber. Still has most of its plating, though there is wear, scuffs, scratches, all of that present. I think this longer, taller version is in a little bit better condition than the other one was. and I plan on listing these in our eBay store. So if you need to add a lipstick lighter to your collection, maybe this is the one for you. I don't think it has failed to light. Of course, you won't be able to use it completely one-handed unless your hands are in a lot better shape than mine. I don't know that I ever could have handled something like this one-handed. But if you had both of your hands, then it's easy enough to put out, easy enough to snuff. So maybe not the most convenient, having to have two hands. Maybe not the one you want to use if you're lighting up while you're driving down the road. Get your Zippo or jet light out. But if you're sitting out on your front porch having a smoke in the evening or the morning or any other time of day, and your hands are not otherwise occupied, then why not use something like this on occasion? It's one thing I appreciate about our friend WESTON INT'L and the videos that he has been publishing over on TikTok is that he lights every single one of them up. Really cool. I love seeing old machines put to use exactly as they were intended. And this lighter provides a little bit of style while you're at it. Not in the greatest condition. Missing some of its paint, some chips, scratches, scuffs, and corrosion and all the other blemishes that we have noted in this video as well. Nonetheless, very attractive, really cool old lighter to be able to use. Until next time.